关于做空公司 Kynikos Associates 的历史、现状与未来的综合总结。一、Kynikos Associates 的创立与发展。Kynikos Associates 是由著名做空交易者吉姆·查诺斯 Jim Chanos 于1985年在纽约创立的对冲基金公司。查诺斯以其对市场动向的敏锐洞察力而闻名，特别是在2001年准确预测恩隆 Enron 公司的崩盘后声名鹊起。他的成功不仅使他在做空交易领域成为重要人物，也使 Kynikos Associates 在投资界中占据了一席之地。二、做空交易的艺术。扎诺斯在多个采访中分享了他对做空交易的见解。他强调，做空不仅仅是对股价下跌的预测，更是一种深思熟虑的投资策略。他指出，成功的做空交易需要对市场的深刻理解、公司财务状况的深入分析以及对行业动态的敏感把握。扎诺斯通常关注特定行业和公司内在价值的偏差，这为他提供了寻找做空机会的广阔视野。三、扎诺斯的投资哲学与策略。根据多种来源的信息，扎诺斯的投资策略可概括为以下几个关键点：一、行业选择，他通常会选择当前被市场过度追捧但基本面薄弱的行业。二、公司财务分析，深入分析公司的财务报表，特别关注现金流和负债情况。三、市场情绪，关注市场情绪的变化，寻找在高估状态下的潜在做空目标。这些策略使扎诺斯能够在多个市场周期中找到做空的机会，并且在多个行业内保持竞争力。四、Kynikos Associates 的现状与未来展望。截至2023年 ，Kynikos Associates 依然活跃于市场，尽管它面临着新的投资挑战与变化。扎诺斯继续寻找做空机会，尤其是在科技和金融行业。他认为这些领域的许多公司可能面临估值过高的问题。扎诺斯预计，未来将更加关注全球经济变化对市场的影响，特别是在通货膨胀和利率上升的背景下。五、信息源间的差异。不同来源对扎诺斯和 Kynikos Associates 的描述存在细微差异。部分来源强调查诺斯的个人投资成功与市场影响，而其他来源则更注重公司的整体策略和未来的市场定位。同时 ，SEC 的公告强调了对冲基金的透明度和合规性，这与查诺斯在做空交易中的一些策略形成对比。六、事件时间线。1985年 ，Kynikos Associates 成立，吉姆·查诺斯开始其做空交易生涯。2001年，查诺斯因准确预测恩隆公司的崩盘而获得广泛关注。2023年 ，Kynikos Associates 继续在做空领域活跃，查诺斯关注科技和金融行业的做空机会。结论：通过以上分析，我们可以看到 Kynikos Associates 及其创始人吉姆·查诺斯在做空交易领域的重要性，以及未来在不断变化的市场环境中的潜在挑战与机遇。随着市场的不断演变，查诺斯和 Kynikos Associates 的策略和重点也将持续调整，以应对新的经济形势和投资环境。Kynikos Associates, founded by Jim Chanos in 1985, is a notable player in the hedge fund industry, particularly in the realm of short selling. Chanos gained prominence after accurately predicting the collapse of Enron in 2001, which solidified his reputation as one of the foremost short sellers. Chanos's investment philosophy emphasizes a deep understanding of market dynamics, financial analysis, and the psychological aspects of investing. He identifies potential short-selling opportunities by focusing on overhyped industries and companies with weak fundamentals. His strategies involve rigorous financial analysis, particularly scrutinizing cash flow and debt levels, while also gauging market sentiment to pinpoint overvalued stocks. Currently, Kynikos Associates remains active, with Chanos focusing on sectors he perceives as overvalued, particularly technology and finance. He is keenly aware of macroeconomic factors, including inflation and interest rates, which he believes will heavily influence market valuations in the future. Interestingly, while many view short selling as a controversial practice, Chanos and others in the field argue that it plays a vital role in market correction. Counterintuitively, short sellers like Chanos often provide liquidity to the market by identifying and addressing overvaluation, which can ultimately lead to more accurate price discovery. Moreover, the perception of short sellers has evolved over time. Historically vilified during market downturns, they are now sometimes seen as necessary checks on exuberance in financial markets. This nuanced view contrasts with the traditional belief that short selling is merely a negative or opportunistic strategy. Chanos's approach showcases a profound level of analysis and foresight, challenging the notion that successful investing is solely about identifying growth opportunities. Rather, it highlights the importance of recognizing when a company's fortunes are overstated, thus presenting a compelling case for the legitimacy and necessity of short selling within the broader investment landscape. In summary, Kynikos Associates and its founder, Jim Chanos, illustrate the complexities and critical role of short selling in financial markets, defying simplistic views that categorize it as merely a bearish strategy. The future of Kynikos Associates seems poised for continued relevance, especially as market conditions evolve and new opportunities for short selling arise in an increasingly complex economic environment. 在关于 Kynikos Associates 及其创始人吉姆·查诺斯的报告中，有几个重要内容可能被许多人忽视，但这些内容对理解做空交易和 Kynikos Associates 的未来发展至关重要。一、做空的市场心理学。许多人往往只关注做空交易的表面，即简单的预测股价下跌，而忽略了扎诺斯所强调的市场心理学和情绪的重要性。他认为，投资者的情绪常常会导致市场失衡，而这种失衡为做空者提供了机会。理解市场情绪如何影响股价波动，可以帮助投资者更好地识别做空机会。例如，在股市过于乐观时，即使基本面并不支持高估值，做空就可能成为一种有效策略。重要性，这一点显著表明，成功的做空不仅依赖于财务数据的分析，还需要对投资者行为的深刻理解。这种心理学的洞察力是许多投资者，尤其是新手所缺乏的。二、Kynikos 的行业选择策略。报告提到，扎诺斯通常选择当前被市场过度追捧但基本面薄弱的行业。这种策略的背后是对行业周期和市场趋势的深入分析。比如，科技和金融行业近年来的快速增长吸引了大量投资，而扎诺斯正是看到了这些行业中潜在的高估值风险。重要性，许多投资者可能会在市场热潮中盲目跟随，而忽略了对背后基本面的审视。扎诺斯的策略提醒我们，逆向思维和对行业动态的敏感捕捉是制定成功投资决策的关键。三、未来的经济影响考虑。扎诺斯预计未来将更加关注全球经济变化，尤其是在通货膨胀和利率上升的背景下。这一点对于理解他未来的做空策略至关重要，因为经济环境的变化往往会影响某些公司的基本面和市场估值。重要性，很多投资者可能会对短期市场波动过于关注，而忽视了宏观经济因素对市场的长远影响。扎诺斯提醒我们，关注经济趋势和政策变化对投资决策的影响是非常必要的。四、信息源的差异和透明度问题。报告中提到，不同来源对查诺斯和 Kynikos Associates 的描述存在差异。有些来源 可能更注重扎诺斯的个人成就，而其他来源则强调公司策略。这种信息的多样性反映了对冲基金行业中透明度和合规性的重要性。这种差异可能导致投资者对 Kynikos 的理解产生偏颇，忽略了公司整体策略和市场定位。了解不同观点的背景和偏见，可以帮助投资者更全面地评估公司的潜力和风险。5. 历史事件的影响。扎诺斯在2001年成功预测恩隆公司的崩盘，虽然这一事件为他赢得了声誉，但他也凸显了做空交易的高风险性。许多投资者可能会认为做空是简单的投资策略，但实际上，它需要对公司和市场动态有深刻的理解和判断能力。这表明成功的做空交易不仅依赖于技术分析，更需要深入的行业知识和对市场的敏感性。对历史事件的分析可以帮助投资者理解做空的复杂性及其潜在的风险。6. 做空的道德和法律考量。尽管报告未详细探讨做空交易的道德和法律问题，但这一点在当前的市场环境中尤为重要。做空交易常常受到批评，认为它可能对市场产生负面影响。扎诺斯和 Kynikos Associates 的策略和成功也引发了关于做空的合法性和道德性的讨论。投资者在考虑做空策略时，必须意识到法律和道德的边界，以避免潜在的法律风险和声誉损失。对这一问题的深入理解，可以帮助投资者在做空时更加谨慎和负责任。结论：通过识别和理解这些被常常忽视的内容，投资者可以获得有关 Kynikos Associates 和做空交易更全面的视角。这不仅有助于理解查诺斯的成功之道，也为投资者在未来的市场中做出更明智的决策提供了宝贵的见解。
1. Kynikos Associates and Jim Chanos' legacy. Founded in 1985 by Jim Chanos, Kynikos Associates has established itself as a premier short-selling hedge fund. Chanos gained notoriety for accurately predicting the collapse of Enron in 2001, which solidified his reputation and underscored the potential impact of short-selling on market dynamics. The firm's history reflects how strategic foresight and market understanding can lead to significant financial insights and investment success. 2. The art of short selling. Chanos emphasizes that short selling is not merely about betting against a stock but involves a comprehensive and analytical approach to investing. This includes a deep understanding of market trends, financial analysis, and industry dynamics. His strategy revolves around identifying overvalued companies with weak fundamentals, thus showcasing how informed analysis can uncover lucrative short selling opportunities. 3. Investment philosophy and strategy. Chanos's investment philosophy is characterized by several key strategies, such as focusing on industries that are overhyped but fundamentally weak, conducting rigorous financial analysis, particularly of cash flow and debt, and being attuned to market sentiment. This methodical approach not only aims to capitalize on potential declines but also highlights the importance of critical thinking in investment decisions, setting Kynikos Associates apart in a competitive landscape. For current landscape and future outlook, as of 2023, Kynikos Associates remains active particularly in sectors like technology and finance, where Chanos identifies potential overvaluation. The firm's future strategies will likely be influenced by macroeconomic factors such as inflation and rising interest rates, suggesting a continuing evolution in their approach to capturing short-selling opportunities. This adaptability highlights the ongoing relevance of Kynikos Associates in the face of changing market conditions. 1. Enron Corporation. 2001. Enron was a Houston-based energy company that became infamous for its accounting fraud and subsequent bankruptcy in December 2001. Jim Chanos of Kynikos Associates was one of the first to publicly short the stock, recognizing that the company's reported financials were misleading. Chanos's research revealed that Enron was using complex financial structures to hide debts and inflate profits. When the truth surfaced, Enron's stock plummeted from over $90 to less than $1, leading to significant financial losses for investors and employees and highlighting the risks of corporate fraud. 2. Lehman Brothers 2008. Lehman Brothers was a global financial services firm that declared bankruptcy in September 2008, marking one of the largest bankruptcies in U.S. history. The firm was heavily invested in mortgage-backed securities, which became toxic during the financial crisis. Short sellers, including prominent investors like David Einhorn and Jim Chanos, had bet against Lehman's stock as they recognized the unsustainable nature of its business model and its overexposure to risky assets. When Lehman filed for bankruptcy, its stock collapsed, resulting in massive losses for shareholders and triggering a global financial crisis. 3. Theranos 2016. Theranos was a health technology company that claimed to have developed a revolutionary blood testing device that could run numerous tests with just a few drops of blood. Investigative reporting, particularly by the Wall Street Journal, revealed that the technology did not work as claimed. Short seller firms, including those led by Jim Chanos, took positions against Theranos, recognizing the discrepancies between the company's claims and actual capabilities. The eventual exposure of Theranos' fraudulent practices resulted in legal actions, the dissolution of the company, and significant financial losses for investors. Kynikos Associates, Short Selling and Future Predictions. Overview of Kynikos Associates. Founded in 1985 by Jim Chanos, Kynikos Associates is a prominent hedge fund known for its focus on short selling. Chanos gained significant recognition after predicting the collapse of Enron in 2001, which established him as a leading figure in the world of investing. Kynikos Associates specializes in identifying overvalued companies and profiting from their decline, employing rigorous financial analysis and a keen understanding of market dynamics. The art of short selling. Chanos emphasizes that short selling is not merely an act of betting against a stock but rather a disciplined investment strategy. It requires 1. Industry selection, targeting sectors with inflated valuations. 2. Financial analysis, scrutinizing financial statements, particularly cash flow and debt levels. 3. Market sentiment, monitoring shifts in investor sentiment to identify potential short candidates. This methodical approach distinguishes Kynikos Associates from many other hedge funds that may not specialize in short selling. Current landscape and challenges. As of 2023, Kynikos Associates remains active, especially within the technology and financial sectors. Chanos has expressed concerns about the excessive valuations in these industries fueled by speculative investments. The current economic climate, characterized by rising inflation and interest rates, presents both challenges and opportunities for short sellers. Future outlook, predictions for Kynikos Associates. 1. Focus on technology and financial sectors. Chanos is likely to continue his scrutiny of overvalued tech companies and financial institutions. As the market corrects, many companies in these sectors could face significant declines, providing ripe opportunities for short selling. 2. Adapting to regulatory changes. With increasing scrutiny from regulators, particularly concerning hedge fund operations and transparency, Kynikos Associates may need to adapt its strategies. Emphasizing compliance and ethical practices will be crucial to maintaining its reputation and operational effectiveness. 3. Increased use of technology. The integration of advanced data analytics and AI in investment strategies will likely become central to Kynikos Associates. By leveraging technology, the firm can enhance its research capabilities and improve its ability to identify short-selling opportunities more efficiently. 4. Global economic factors. As global economic conditions evolve, particularly in light of potential recessions or shifts in monetary policy, Kynikos Associates may seek to diversify its portfolio geographically. This approach can help mitigate risks associated with domestic market fluctuations. 5. Educational role. Chanos and Kynikos Associates may take on a more significant role in educating investors about the value of short selling. By sharing insights and strategies, they can enhance their brand and attract new clients interested in hedging strategies. 6. Sustainability trends, as environmental, social, and governance ESG factors gain traction. Kynikos Associates may explore short-selling opportunities in companies that fail to meet these standards. This strategy aligns with growing investor interest in sustainable investing and can provide a unique niche for the firm. Conclusion: Kynikos Associates under Jim Chanos' leadership has established itself as a pivotal player in the world of short-selling. As they navigate the complexities of the current market, their future will likely be shaped by a blend of strategic focus, technological advancements, and responsiveness to regulatory changes. By continuing to evolve and adapt to market conditions, Kynikos Associates can maintain its status as a leader in the hedge fund industry while capitalizing on emerging opportunities in short selling.